So I wanted to talk a little bit about all of the new hoops that you're going to find with the Creative Icon 3. We're going to start with one of my favorites. It does come with it. There are 4 hoops that do come with the Creative Icon 3. This one is 18 inches by 10 or 465 by 260. And then there's also one that is 360 by 200, 240 by 150, and 120 by 120. All right, so those are the 4 hoops that come with it, but there's a lot more. They've really added so many new hoops. Altogether, there's 24 hoops that will work with the Creative Icon 3. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, you may think, well, why do I need a bigger hoop? I can tell you that I've done a lot of designs where I've used the designs like the Moroccan tiles, and it's an 8-inch square, and I had to rehoop 4 times to be able to do that pillow. Now, when you have a hoop like this, that's 18 inches long by 10 inches, that means I can put 2 8-inch designs in the hoop at one time, and it saves how much time by not having to rehoop and rehoop. But even more exciting is we have the Grand Turnable Hoop here, and I'm gonna show you, this is the Grand Dream Hoop that we've had with our Creative Icon 2. Now we have the largest embroidery hoop. Can you hold that for me, Aletha?
I can.
Look at that. That is just under 18 inches by 18 inches.
Crazy.
The difference in the size here, it's considerably bigger, right? And that means that we can put 4 8-inch designs in the hoop and embroider them all on one piece of fabric without having to rehoop at all. That is a game changer when it comes to being able to do larger embroideries. Now, there are some really sculptural new designs, and I want to show you what I made. Let's put this down and go and grab that bag here. Isn't this?
I love this, Karen. I'm going to have to stitch one out.
Well, I'm going to be bringing this to your store when I come for our events. So make sure to come in and check it out. Isn't that gorgeous? And the back side has got a design that's a little different. When you look at them, won't see the applique fabric in there, so it'll look like it's just a simple design that's an outline, but it really does have those appliques built in there. So make sure to come into the store and check it out, because these hoops are amazing, and they're going to save you time, and they're going to give you a lot more creative ability. So check it out.
After seeing some of these other fun things, hopefully you're inspired. I know I really am. I love this new machine. I'm excited to see what Karen's going to show us, and she is coming to our store.
I know, I'm so excited.
I'm very excited. So September 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th, it is on our website, so you can sign up, choose the store that works best for you. And Karen is going to have some amazing samples. Some of them you've done on the Creative Icon 3, but I encourage you to come. You're going to have things that you've done with all of the features on the machine.
There are so many creative techniques with all of our PFAFF machines, and it doesn't matter if you're an embroiderer, you're a sewer, a quilter, you're going to learn something. So come and check it out.